We'll guide you through how to always show or hide bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Chrome, and so you always want to go and hide the bookmarks bar, or you always want to go and show it. We're going to guide you through this. So the bookmarks bar can be really convenient, as you can go and have sites here and click on them and get straight there. I find it really convenient. But if you don't want to go and have it, as you don't use it and it takes up just space, you don't like looking at it, we can go and always hide it as well. So make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss how this is done. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do is come to the top right of Chrome. There you're going to go and find the three dots, which you need to go and click on. Come down the list and find the option for settings at the bottom, like so. Then what you need to do is come over to the left and find the option for appearance and click there. Now you can come down the list and you want to find the option for show bookmarks bar. And you're going to see the switch there. If it's on, it's always going to be shown. If you switch it off, it's always going to be hidden.